Dating back to last season, the Rays have owned the Marlins, winning 5 straight against the Fish, all on the Marlins' home turf. On Sunday, Florida looked to take a stand against the Rays and avoid the sweep. James Shield looking to even his record at 4-4, now 3-4. Bottom of the second, John Baker rips this one into left field. Carl Crawford, oh man, can't handle it. He's charged with an error. It would bring in Ross Glode. It's 1-0 Marlins. Bottom 2 now, Josh Johnson. The kids call it helping the cause. An RBI single that brings in Cody Ross, and it's 3-0 Marlins. Then top of the third, Evan Longoria will answer back. A league-leading 49 RBI, and it's 3-1. Top 6 with 2 outs. Josh Johnson, a wild pitch. It brings in Akinori Iwamura and ties the game 3 apiece. Bottom 6 now, John Baker. Wow, crushes this one into the seats. It's 4-3, his 6th homer of the year. Top 8 now, Leo Nunez on the hill replacing Johnson. Jason Bartlett, well, no matter to him, 7th bomb of the season, and the Rays get their first 2-out hit of the day. It ties the game at 4. Bottom 8 now, this one a little scary. Wes Helms grounds into the DP, and you can see Coughlin taking out Akinori Iwamura, but check out Jason Bartlett. No, the play's not over. He grabs the ball from the glove of Iwamura, who's on the ground, and they're able to get Baker at home. It's a double play. Let's take another look at this collision between Iwamura and Coughlin. Scary stuff. Iwamura would have to be carted off the field. He will return to St. Petersburg for an MRI. We're going extra innings. Bases juice for Ross Glode with some late inning heroics. An RBI single, it brings in Brett Hayes, and the Marlins get the win, breaking the Rays' 5-game win streak against them. The Marlins also snap a 4-game overall losing streak. Another strong outing for Josh Johnson without a decision. He has 8 quality starts in 10 outings. He struck out 7 in the series finale. Akinori Iwamura returned to St. Petersburg for an MRI after the game. He did not fly with the team to Cleveland.